Her in the eye many years ago, took a deep breath to help me say hello. She was such a beauty and new to town. I said I'd be happy to show her all around. I took her to my world few had ever known. Said a prayer to God, she'd feel right at home. There's never been another since the day I saw her face. No one could compare to her beauty, charm, and grace. We fell in love. We said I do, but little did we know she would end what I've started many years ago. Time changes all of us, but it took me by surprise to see one day a change of heart showing in her eyes. Maybe too much happened during all the years, or maybe not enough brought about her tears. We fell in love. We said I do, but little did we know she would end what I've started